Okay, so in this experiment we're going to look at the thermal decomposition of copper carbonate, and for this we're going to need some lime water to test the gas given off, and we're going to use some copper carbonate. So I'll just take this is the copper carbonate, a nice green powder. And copper carbonate is found naturally as kind of green rock, particularly in places like what was Persia, Iran and Iraq. And they think it's led to the discovery of the Bronze Age. I'll just move out of the way so I can get this lid on. Put it in place so we can collect the gas, and then we need to heat the copper carbonate. Okay, so copper carbonate is green. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to heat up copper carbonate and we're going to see what happens. So when I heat it up, you'll start getting some bubbles coming out as the air heats up, but then you'll keep getting bubbles given off. If you look very closely at the powder, you should be able to see. So I'm gently heating. Notice there's kind of condensation given off, and it's starting to get a colour change. So we can tell it's chemical reaction occurring. We're starting to get a colour change here. Okay, and the copper carbonate is changing, and there's gas given off. Look at the gas coming off, and you're also getting, if you look up here in the tube, you can see condensation, and that's now black. Okay, and you're also looking at the lime water. You can see that lime water has changed colour, and it's now starting to go milky. Okay, so you've seen there, just by heating it up, we've got a colour change. We've got a colour change in the copper carbonate. It's no longer copper carbonate, it's changed. It's now black, and you can see here the lime water has had a colour change, so there's a chemical reaction going on there. And that is a test for carbon dioxide gas. Lime water will turn milky. Okay, so whatever has happened to the copper carbonate, it's produced carbon dioxide gas.